The Pythagorean theorem is used to solve the sides of a triangle. The only way that you can use the Pythagorean theorem is if you have a right triangle, which means one of the sides has to be 90 degrees. And that's what this box means right here. This box means that it is 90 degrees. So since it is 90 degrees, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. And let me tell you what the Pythagorean theorem here is. So say we set this side equal to A, length A, and we set this side equal to length B. And then we set this side equal to length C. This is also known as the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the right triangle, and it is always opposite of the 90 degrees. So now that we have that, what we know is that A squared, this one, plus B squared, right here, is equal to C squared. Now that we know this, let's try it on actual numbers. So here's our first example. We have a right triangle with sides 12, 5, and the hypotenuse that is missing. We're trying to find that out. So all we have to do for this one is write 12 squared plus 5 squared from here is equal to C squared. That's the same thing I just wrote, except for I'm just using the numbers now. So let's see, 12 squared is 144 plus 5 squared is 25. Now that should be equal to 169, which is equal to C squared. So now all we have to do to find C is take the square root of both sides. So now we get C is equal to, well, you could say plus or minus 13, but since the distance can't be negative, we're going to just say C is equal to 13. So that is one of the main triangles we have here. If you're in geometry or something, you can see 5, 12, and 13 is one of the common triangles. Here is the second example of the Pythagorean theorem. This one is also a very common triangle that is used in geometry. So let's look at this. If we name this A, we'll get A squared plus 3 squared is equal to 5 squared. We can rewrite that. Let's rewrite that over here. We can rewrite that as A squared plus 9 is equal to 25. So now if we just subtract 9 both sides, we'll see that A squared is equal to 16, which means that A is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4. So this is another one of the common triangles you'll find with right triangles is 3, 4, 5. And there's also, like I just had, 5, 12, 13. And there are also multiples of 3, 4, 5, which could be 6, 8, and 10. Those are something that you might want to look for if you're in geometry. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and comment on my videos. Thank you.